Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to transfer your domain to Shopify. Moving your domain to Shopify allows us to manage everything, our store and our domain, in one place. This makes it easier to handle settings and renewals. Let's get started. To transfer a domain, we need to go to Domain Settings. We just need to click on Settings in the lower left corner. Once we're there, we click on Domains. To transfer a domain, we then click the drop-down button labeled Connect Existing. Next, we click on Transfer Domain. Here, we enter the domain we want to transfer, then click Next. We then review the details, and if everything looks good, we move on to payment. We just need to click Buy Domain and confirm the payment. If we already own a domain, we simply enter the domain name and click Next to move on to the settings. From here, we can adjust all the settings. We can unlock the domain, get the EPP code, and complete the required authorization. We just need to enter the necessary information. Once that's done, our domain will begin transferring to Shopify. When the transfer is complete, we will be able to manage our domain directly from our Shopify dashboard.